Hi, I'm Kara Sheftel with Boston Document Systems. Let me show you right now the bait stamping capability of a Kyocera TASKalfa 4054, 5054, 6054, and really any 4 series device that is a TASKalfa model with the Kyocera. So right here, one of the things that we most often see is that people want to scan using bait stamping. All you would do is scroll through your typical options, which take you down the tabs on the side. You're going to be looking under Advanced Setup. And then if you scroll down just a little bit more, you'll start to see that base stamp information. You simply switch it on, and now you're going to be able to get the differences that you can add for bait stamping for your organization. You can do date, you can do serial number, you can do numbering. If you want to add the username of the person who's doing the scanning in terms of evidence, you can do that. And you can also enter text. And so you could say something like confidential or your law firm. So now that will also appear as part of your Bates stamping. Enter. All right, so I have selected date, numbering, and this text one option. I'm going to hit next. And now I can set the format of the date that we're going to be using. In most countries, they have the month in the middle, so maybe I'll switch that instead. If it's an international case, I can set my numbering default. If it's the beginning of a case, you can start at 1. If you're picking up where you left off with different evidence, you can start it at a different number. I just picked 205. And then you can also determine the position of where that's going to go, the font, and then you also wants to know the original orientation. Once we do that, we can hit OK, scan our document, and the Bates stamp will appear on the scan of your document. The same thing really is quite interesting in that you can use it for the copy functionality as well. You can go under advanced, and here too you have the ability to put in some information on these in terms of confidential, what type of job it is, but mostly we're using, and there you go, you can also do bait stamping on the copier as well. Switch it on and you'll be able to do the same format that you were doing before. For more information about Kyocera TASKalfa copiers, all things print related, you can reach us at bdsdoc.com or like and follow this channel.